In this video, I'm going to show you how to file taxes on TurboTax Military. So the first thing you want to do is go to their official website over here, which is turbotax.intuit.com, and then you want to navigate yourself to the very bottom of this page over here. And from here, you will see that it says over here under tax and online software products, it says free military tax filing discount. So that's what you want to click to get to the website where you can see the military discount. And after you're on here, there we go, it says you can file your own taxes and get your 2024 federal and state taxes free. And here's everything this includes over here. And then you can simply click on Get Started. Now, this will take you down to the very bottom, and you want to select all that apply to see your prices. So basically, you will just have to select everything that applies for you. And then you can see over here, you can get either the regular version over here, you can get the live assisted or the live full service over here with TurboTax. So you can start for free with each and every single one of these, and you can pay only when you file, and you can read more about what each and every single plan out of these three offers over here. And once you decide for one, so for example, let's say this one's gonna be the one, you wanna click on Start for Free over here. And then from there, it's going to take you to their sign up page. And after that, you will basically have to log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. And then what you will see is this TurboTax dashboard over here where you can then start filing your taxes. Now, what you should do over here is first, of course, go through these. So you'll first be asked to put in your personal info. You can just press continue over here and start adding it. It's going to look something like this. Let this load, there we go. And then basically it's gonna ask for your first name, last name, etc. You wanna press continue, put in your SSN or ITIN, and then again, continue, select your state, select all that apply, continue, and just follow this little form or questionnaire over here, putting in all your actionable info. And after that, you'll be asked to basically put in your wages and income info, your deductions and credits, other tax situations, state taxes, and then after that, you're gonna have to review everything, and then you'll be able to finish and file. And after that, basically, you've successfully filed taxes on TurboTax Military. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.